I would now like to invite Mr. Kamal Agarwal to deliver the welcome note.
Thank you, Devika. Good morning and very warm welcome to Sri Talin Kumar, Principal Secretary, Information and Technology, Government of West Bengal, Mr. C.P. Gurnani, Chairman NASSCOM, MD and CEO, Tech Mahindra, Mr. Ravi Gururaj, Chairman NASSCOM Product Council, Mr. Raj Jain, ex-chairman of NASSCOM and also the founder of RS Software, one of the largest software company based out of Kolkata. Mr. Rajat Tandon, Vice President NASSCOM, 10K Startup Program. Speakers who have come from all across India, CIOs and IT heads of different industries, my fellow NASSCOM members, distinguished guests and esteemed delegates. It is indeed a great pleasure to welcome you all at the third edition of NPC Kolkata. Thank you all for such a tremendous response. We started our journey 3 years back with around 200 delegates attending the first edition of NPC Kolkata. Just see how incredible it is. Today we have almost 800 plus delegates and participants in this room. This is truly incredible. The passion and focus is to build and further energize the momentum in the Eastern region. And we are confident that the grand success of NPC Kolkata is a key step in this journey. For us at NPC, when we plan for the event, content is what is important. The questions we discussed when we planned this event: how do we create value for the wide spectrum of our members and local product ecosystem? How do we help them in their growth? How do we help them developing better products and solutions? How do we help them to manage the product development cycle better and optimize their resources? How do we help each of them sell their product in their own unique way? And at the same time, how do we prepare them for the upcoming and emerging technologies? As we are the one who are supposed to learn, adopt, and develop solutions for future. And if these were not enough, many of our members even expect us to help them get customer through these events, and all in one-day event. After all the brainstorming, we have been able to design the day in such a way that we can give some value, some takeaways to each of you, something which you can carry with you and implement. The theme for this year is Technology Fueling Business Growth. The sessions we have includes Mr. Talin Kumar, Principal Secretary, IT and E, Government of West Bengal, will share his vision of his department with us. Then we have very inspiring talk by none other than our own CP Gurnani, MD and CEO of Tech Mahindra. His responsibility today not only includes leading Tech Mahindra to grow, but as the chairman of NASSCOM, also includes leading and guiding the whole IT industry of India. Thank you, CP, for coming down to Kolkata. I know you are traveling extensively, but I have been told by many that we must give Kolkata an opportunity to be inspired by you. This will be followed by a panel discussion on IT growth in West Bengal, moderated by none other than Mr. Anuj Puri, MD of JLL. Thank you, Mr. Puri. This morning plenary session will be followed by some very effective hands-on training workshop by some amazing speakers coming across India. Mr. Alok Kejriwal, famous for his Robin Hood open houses across India, is with us and will be talking on gaming in India. And yesterday he has promised me that this will be a blowout session of the day. So we are expecting Mr. Robin Hood for the same. Dr. Shom Singh will help us with some amazing digital marketing tools as a part of growth hacking session. Designs today play a very crucial role and a critical role in the development cycle. Not only the development of the product, but lots of success of any product today depends on its navigation and smooth flow. We have RoboSoft team coming all the way from Mysore, helping us to understand the underlying emotions of design engineering. Friends, we have a very interesting speaker with us today, who rightly says, none of us today remember the Pythagoras theorem, which is nothing but a square plus b square is equal to c square. But we all remember the story of tortoise and rabbit. Today he will tell us, or rather teach us how creating stories help us in marketing and business. Thank you, Amin, and sorry the way I had to invite you. This year we have special sets of workshops on emerging technologies, which includes workshop on machine learning and analytics by Aarti Kapoor, workshop on robotics and its value proposition in industries by Kavi Arya, professor in IIT Mumbai, workshop on application of virtual reality and augmented reality by Harsha. Thank you, Harsha, for coming all the way at such a short notice. Once you all are done with these workshops and training, we are going to share the Indian product roadmap by our chief Ravi Gurraj, who needs no introduction. Friends, we will crown the day with a fireside chat with Mr. Amit Jain, President of Uber India, moderated by Ravi Gurraj. This surely will ignite your brain cells. After this, we'll let your hair down for some soulful music along with cocktail dinner. I would also like to take this opportunity to convey my sincere thanks to Mr. Sharup Roy of IT Promotion Cell, Government of West Bengal, Mr. Manjeet Nayak, Regional Director STPI, and Nirupam Chaudhary, Regional Head NASSCOM, and my fellow NASSCOM Regional Council members for their guidance and continuous support. Friends, before I conclude, I want to talk about something which is really very close to my heart. Though out of context, but I would still like to speak few moments about that particular topic. We all talk about perception. Whenever we get an opportunity, we talk or we raise questions to the government about the perception of Bengal. Is government only responsible to create perception of Bengal, or we do not have that ownership or onus on us to create the perception? I think it is on us to create the perception of Bengal. Don't you think Calcutta is one of the most beautiful city, and the way the beautification has been done in last couple of years? I have not seen, somebody in Bangalore, cribbing about the traffic. It's pathetic, I'm telling you. At least we have a life after work. You can reach home in another 30-45 minutes, and we should speak about that. You can go home, spend time with your family, which any Mumbaikar cannot even think of, because half of his life is spent in the train. But he's not cribbing about it. He's not talking negative about it. Calcutta weather is much, much better than Delhi. So friends, I request, let's take the ownership. Let us take the ownership on us to create perception about Bengal. And at least not for us, for the generations to come. Once again, I thank you all and wish you an eventful learning and networking day. Thank you so much.